everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am going to be working on a couple beach pours. They're going to be the same colors, except for the sand's going to be a little different. I'm going to do white sand on this one and then a brown sand on this one. The colors that I'm going to use, so for my waves, I use iCandy's Satora White. It's a paste. I really like using a paste for my waves. It seems to give me some really cool lacing and cells and stuff. So we have that. And then I'm going to use Noken Blue for my farther out color. It's a really pretty blue. It's one of my favorite ones to use for the deeper part of the ocean. And then we have Zafari. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but and that is this pretty blue. I love iCandy's pigments. They're just so many beautiful colors to choose from, and then they they all have some beautiful shimmer to them. Then for my closest to the sand, I'm going to use Angel Blue, and it's a really light blue. So I always lay my sand down first. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I've seen people do it different ways. I just prefer to lay my sand down first. start off with this one. Just see all that shimmer in there? It's so beautiful. Sorry about that. So there's that one with the white sand. And then so much shimmer. All right, I thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, these two pieces. I appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys will like and subscribe and share and comment. Do all that fun jazzy jazz. Helps my channel out. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.